Good morning, friends. Welcome to Dr. PM Times. This is Dr. Murugesan. Dear friends, in this series of episodes, I am going to discuss methodically what is obesity, what are the complications of obesity, why weight loss is defective or why weight loss is very, very difficult to achieve, why target weight maintenance is difficult, and what are the ways and means to sustain the weight loss that is obtained, and how physical exercise is more effective in regulation of body weight. So all these I will go slowly one by one. I'll start with what our system is actually made up of, what is our body composition, then go on to discuss about how fat is distributed, what are the different types of fat, what causes accumulation of fat in the abdomen, what is abdominal obesity, why is it dangerous, then how you measure the guts and assess whether the person is obese or not, and what are the causes for obesity nowadays, and how obesity can be controlled, and how to sustain the weight loss that is achieved, and why weight loss maintenance is difficult. All those things will come, say, in 12 to 13 episodes. So in this first episode, I am going to discuss briefly about what our human body is made up of. Otherwise, what is the composition of human body? Human body as a whole, we can divide into three major parts. One is fat, and then fat-free mass, which is mostly present, and then, of course, the minerals and the fluids, right? So fat-free mass includes bone and muscle. So the fitness is equivalent to the fat-free mass. That is how much strengthened your bones and muscles are, determines how fit an individual is. So before going in detail, first we'll start from the basic. As you all know, our body is made up of atoms. The atoms include oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, calcium, etc. in that order. And the atoms together form what is called molecules. The molecules include carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, etc. And the molecules together form what is called the cells. The cells include the adipocytes, the muscle cells, the osteocytes, the blood cells, etc. And these cells together form what is called tissues. The tissues include the bone, the muscle, the blood, the epithelium, etc., etc. And the various tissues form what is called the systems. The systems include the nervous system, the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, excretory system, gastrointestinal system, reproductive system, etc. So then all these systems form the whole human body, and the human body, 60% of which is made up of water, 10% made up of proteins, 15% made up of skeletal mass or bone, and another 15% is made up of the muscle. So all these together form the human body, and this human body can be determined or classified according to the amount of fat and fat-free mass into the ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. The ectomorphs are thin and lean individuals who have very thin muscle built and very less fat, and the skeletal framework also is less. Examples for ectomorphs are the marathon runners. The next group is the mesomorph, who are medium built and they are muscular, well proportionate, with adequate amount of muscle, moderate skeletal framework, and moderate fat. They are proportionately well built, and examples include the tennis players, the professional models, etc. The next group of persons are the endomorph, who are stout and well built, large frame structures. Say, for example, the sumo wrestlers and WWF wrestlers, they have a bigger skeletal mass, they have a bigger bone mass, and the fat content also is more. So thus we can divide the human mankind into three groups. ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. So now we know what our body is made up of. Next episode, I will especially focus on fat and distribution of fats. Thank you.